It's Chris O. What I'm doing today is going to be waterproofing, but what I need to do here is I need to put some slope on the shelf, right? So the best way, and if you don't think it's the best way, well, don't do it. This is the way I advise you to do it. Couch potatoes, you might have another idea in mind. You always put down a bit of glue as slurry. What I need to do is give this a bit of slope, and this is the fastest and easiest way. The way I'll put down, sprinkled a bit of glue out, that'll stick my mud to the cement sheet. Slap it on like that. I'll be able to put a first coat on this later on today. It'll be dry enough. Because it doesn't take long to dry. But all I want is, when I've tiled it, I want some slope underneath, so when the water soaks through the grout and hits the waterproof and wants to run down the wall and run down that waterproof to the waste, it's got slope to do that. And it doesn't have to be super flash and fancy, but when I throw a wooden float on this, it'll come out like it's meant to be. Where's my bucket of mud? I don't have to make sure it's dead level, you know. Oh, but it is, but it doesn't have to be. Like you always, what I'm going to be doing is laying up here and then up there, and then put in that afterwards, because you have to wait too long for it to dry to build up off it. So you build up off that first and then put these pieces in. I'm doing the floor tile here, floor tile there, and a white 6x3. These are 6x6 tiles. This is going to be a 6x3 here. That's going to be the 6x6 tile on top, but I'll be doing that after, because you can't, when you've got to wait for your tiles to dry, no, that's no good. If you're a DIY and you're doing it in the weekends and at night and that sort of thing, and you've got a bit of time, well then you can come up here, do that, and then you're going to do your normal job and that sort of thing, and you come back and it's had a day or so to dry, and then you build up off it. I don't have that time, so I'll be doing this, that, doing that the next day. We'll see you soon. Bye.